Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys about investing in tech stocks. Have you guys ever felt like investing in tech stocks is like trying to choose out of an alien language? It's very intimidating sometimes. But it doesn't really have to be. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. I am going to explain to you investing in tech stocks in the most simple way I can perceive it. So the first point I want to talk about is the potential of tech stocks. Tech stocks are basically shares of a tech company like Apple, Google, and Tesla. So these companies are the forefront of innovation because tech are everywhere in our lives. Whenever there's a tech, you can improve it. And whenever there is a part of inconvenience, there could be a tech. That was very simple, right? So now we're on to point 2. Risk and research. So tech stocks are like a roller coaster. They go up and go down very quickly. And something you must really remember is that not all tech companies succeed. And rules can change. So it's very crucial to do your research before investing. You have to check out the company's financial, products, competition, and market trend. If not, if either of them went wrong in your research or you miss out one of them, well, it could go down and you'll be sleeping and you won't even know because you thought it was stable. So the third point is diversification and long-term versus short-term. So diversification is basically spreading out your money into more than one tech stocks to reduce the risk. And the idea of this is basically you don't lose all your money in one company even if you have a lot of faith in it. And also the idea of this is that your growth is stable, and because you invest in more than one company, some could go up, some goes down, eventually you get growth in a matter of time. But of course this method doesn't work as well for earning money as investing in just one stock that works, but it reduces the risk. But a lot of people go for just one company because they want the money fast. And in return of that, they make sure to do a lot of research, but of course sometimes it does fail. But if it works, then it's good for them. You can choose both, but if you're not super sure about the company, diversification is the way to go. Now, let's talk about long-term versus short-term investing. Long-term investors hold their stocks for years, aiming for a very stable growth or a very stable exponential growth since it's a tech company. And what I mean by stable is not that it doesn't fluctuate, it just means that the company is stable enough that it won't die. Short-term traders buy and sell stocks very quickly, and what they're hoping for is to profit themselves from that short-term price movement. So long-term investors are actually normally less stressful, but short-term traders normally has more risk. So my fourth point is starting small and patience. So you don't actually need a lot of money to start, you just need a small amount and just start investing. Get experience. And patience is very important because money don't just grow, it takes time. So don't expect instant cash. So now to point 5, which is learning from mistakes and the importance of starting early. So mistakes are bound to happen along the way of your journey of investing. And you have to take what you have done wrong and do it again, but without the mistake. So starting early is actually very important. If you're young, that's best, like me, because the more time you have, means the earlier you start, the more time you have for your stocks to grow. That also means the more your money can grow. So by the time that you have reached, let's say, your father's age, you would have earned more from stocks than he has. Basically, you can see the advantages there. And now to my 6th point, which is seek advice. I mean, this is actually very easy because last time you have to go to talk to people directly, maybe your teachers, your parents, your whoever you trust to have high intellectuals. But now you don't really have to. You just have to research the company online and then find advice online, because they probably know more than any single one of the person that you know in real life, because there's almost infinite knowledge out there for you to learn on the internet. So go find those information out there, and you don't even need to talk to them directly anymore. So that's a win. So the conclusion of tech stocks made simple is basically just do your homework, be patient, and learn along the way. That's about it. So anyways, I hope you subscribe, because I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you like this video as well, and I'll see you in the next one.